All right, that was our 4 cans of cream of mushroom. Next, I'm coming in with my stew meat, and I got the big pack. We're just opening that up, and don't worry, I washed my hands, and we are going to evenly distribute our stew meat right into our loaf tins with that cream of mushroom. This is such an easy kind of all day cooking, just want something cozy to eat meal. And the great thing is that you can portion it out so everyone can just have their own little loaf tin here and they can get a perfect serving. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be delicious. So let's go ahead and get all of this meat in here and make sure that it is evenly distributed. Now I'm coming in with my brown gravy mix, and this is the 30% less sodium, and we're gonna open that up and we're gonna use 1 package for 2 of these. So I do have 2 packages of this brown gravy, and we're gonna evenly distribute that brown gravy into 2 of our loaf tins. Oh my, I'm so excited. This is one of my favorite dinners ever. It's so easy to make. It's only a few ingredients and my entire family loves it. Now I'm making 4 portions because I'm gonna eat 2 today with me and my husband, and then we're gonna meal prep these other 2 for later in the week. That's why I absolutely love using loaf tins, because they're easy to store. All right, so that was our 2 packets of gravy. Yummy. Now for a little bit more flavor, you can skip this, but I absolutely love this step. We have our beefy onion mix, and similar to our gravy, we are gonna use 2 packages and distribute it into 2 of our loaf tins evenly. I love the beefy onion soup, but you could also just use the regular onion soup. It is honestly just a preference thing, or you can just go ahead and season this to your liking. You could add some garlic powder, you can add some onion powder, you can add whatever your heart desires. But this is how I like to make it, and honestly, it tastes really, really good. It is the perfect cozy dinner. Now we are gonna add some water to these just for some moisture. And I'm just gonna kind of eyeball the amount of water. That seems about good. So it's about like half a cup, 1/4 to half a cup, maybe 1/3 to make it a more well-rounded number. But we are just pouring that into each tin just like so. And I do have this all on a sheet pan for easier traveling. I'm gonna grab my spatula, and it is time to mix everything together. We want that cream of mushroom, those stew meat bites, the beefy onion mix, and the gravy to be fully combined for this easy dinner. All right, once we get that all mixed in, these are gonna be ready for the oven, so let's quickly get that done. All right, these are ready to get cooking. So my oven is set to 350, and this is just gonna be in there until that meat is nice and tender. Oh my, these smell absolutely incredible. We had them in the oven for about 1.5 hours. I'm gonna give them one more quick mix just off camera. Oh my goodness, look how thick that gravy is. It's gonna be really good, but of course we're missing one thing, and that is our mashed potatoes. We're just gonna slide those out. I already heated them up. I'm gonna grab an ice cream scoop. It's the best way to do it. And then we're gonna scoop our mashed potatoes right on top of our steak and gravy. I'm gonna do about 2 scoops of mashed potatoes per loaf tin. It is time to give this a try. Which one do you think I should do?
That one.
Oh, this looks so good, right, babe?
Oh my goodness, it smells amazing.
All right, I'm gonna get a little mashed potato, and then of course, a steak with that delicious gravy. It's gonna be really hot, so be careful.
Is it good?
Oh my gosh. Wow. That is so tender.